Inserting an image into your Google spreadsheet is easy to do. Select a cell where you would like to have the image appear. Go to the menu bar, click Insert, and go to Image. I'm going to select In Cell. From here, you can choose where you would like to get an image. Click Browse to find an image saved on your computer. The image will appear inside of the cell you selected. Change the row size to make the image larger. You can also add an image from a URL. Copy the URL location of the image you want to use. Go to the Insert Image menu, click By URL, and paste in the URL of image. If you choose image over cell, you will be able to change its size and location. Right-click the image in the cell to change it to over all cells. The Insert Image menu also has an option to do a Google image search. See you next time.